lost one. Here, let me move some of this stuff in front of you, okay? Can you put your crown on, please? Alright. Are you ready? Watch your hair, Kai.
Is that metal paper?
Is it what?
That metal paper.
It's edible. Yes, is that what you said?
We can eat it.
Oh, metal. Yeah, you eat it.
You
Yep.
can eat the paper.
Yep.
Can I eat it?
Well, we'll give you a piece of it. Honey, you have to watch out for the fire. We'll see. Probably. Okay, are we ready?
Yeah.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Kaya. Happy birthday to you. Oh, no, blow again. And again. I thought you'd get it out on one, huh? All right. Do you want your face, Kaya?
Yeah.
Okay.
I want Tinkerbell.
I know. You know what? I think I'm going to say the birthday girl gets to choose, and then we're just going to have to get what we get. Because everybody's going to want Tinkerbell, I think.
Get what you get and don't
Yeah. Have you heard that before, huh?
Yeah.